Hi and welcome to the short tutorials. In this video I will show you how to get and use zoom in filter on the Instagram. So watch this video till the end and you have to follow the same procedure, and if this video really helps you out, do subscribe to my channel. So first of all you have to open your Instagram mobile application and log into your account. Once you will do it, here you will see your story option. Click on it. Okay, once you will click on it, you have to search for this filter. This filter is available in your story, so you have to click on it and here you will see this option. Simply click on it and now record a video with this filter. So when you record a video, your video will automatically zoom into your face. So this is the procedure. Hope this video will helpful for you. If you have any question, you can ask me in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.